EvenMix. It is rocket science. Based in Cleveland, Ohio, EvenMix is a company dedicated to manufacturing innovative liquid-based mixers. These mixers are designed for standard-sized containers, primarily catering to intermediate bulk containers, also known as IBCs. Their current offerings include devices powered by either air or electric motors, making them practical for a wide range of industries. A significant development is their new battery-operated electric motor, set to debut in January. This highly anticipated model is a game-changer, offering exceptional portability and ease of use. It's compatible with widely available 6-amp batteries from brands like DeWalt and Milwaukee, allowing it to efficiently mix substances such as molasses in an IBC at top speed for approximately an hour. This forthcoming battery-powered mixer is incredibly versatile. It provides a reliable mixing solution crucial for various sectors. Farmers and ranchers can benefit from its on-the-go convenience for chemicals, while chemical distributors and co-ops can enhance their services by ensuring consistent product quality for their customers. Chemical manufacturers and suppliers will find it invaluable for maintaining product integrity from production through to delivery, ensuring their customers always receive a consistent and high-quality mix. EvenMix mixers contribute to enhanced production efficiency and guarantee consistent mixing quality for all users, fostering customer satisfaction and loyalty. EvenMix ensures that businesses can achieve precise mixing results, maintaining product quality and reliability across all applications. With their focus on innovation and consistent performance, EvenMix continues to be a trusted partner for diverse industrial mixing needs. For more information, visit evenmix.com. http://evenmix.com Industrial Liquid Mixers Battery-Powered IBC Solutions. https www.youtube.com Watch VMZell or RGFI. atips www.google.com Maps or place.cid 1C4358128465725107. https evenmix.com Product Category IBC Tote Mixers.